Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Viewers, today we are going to share a very special recipe, that is how to make a dry roast mutton. For that we took about 1 kilo mutton, and to make the dry roast platter we need to marinate it. We put 1 teaspoon garlic, and then we put 1 teaspoon crushed coriander, and then we will need to add 1 teaspoon black pepper, and then we need to add 1 teaspoon whole cumin crushed, and then we need to add 1/4 of teaspoon anise seeds, and then we add half teaspoon turmeric powder, and then we will add 2 teaspoon salt, and then we add 1 teaspoon green pepper powder, and then we add 1 tablespoon cooking oil, and then we add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and then we add 1 teaspoon ginger powder, and then we will mix it very well. We'll mix it for about 5 to 7 minutes, and after mixing it very well we will put it in a airtight container and leave it for about 2 to 3 hours, or how much time. If you can leave it in the fridge for about a day, it's fine. Otherwise 2 to 3 hours is enough for the marination. And when the marination is done, we will take it out from the fridge, and then we will put it on the preheated oven tray, and our oven will be preheated at about 170 centigrade, which should not be less than 170 centigrade and should not be more than 170 centigrade. And we will place all the mutton pieces on the tray, and because we are using mixed mutton, so it's just mixed parts of the mutton, not the specific part of the mutton. So after putting it on the tray, we will put it in the preheated oven and leave it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 170 centigrade. After 30 minutes we will take it out from the oven, and we need to just change the sides of the mutton pieces, because one side is very good in color and they are almost roasted from the one side, and we will just change their sides so that the both sides can be cooked very well. And after changing their sides, we will put it back in the oven for about another 15 minutes, which will make the mutton to be cooked from both sides and roasted from both sides. Because one sides are very good in color, golden brown color from the one side, and we need to put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. We will take it out after 15 minutes, and now the other sides of the mutton, they are also cooked. We will dish it out, and now they are ready with a very good golden brown color, very good smell, very good texture, and seems to be having very good taste. And now our dry roast mutton is ready to serve, and you can serve it with your favorite sauce, and very good aroma, very good texture. We'll just check it. It's very soft, tender. Even we did not use any meat tenderizer. We just add the regular spices to roast the mutton, and all the mutton pieces are very soft and very juicy and cooked even till inside. You can try it, make it, eat it, and enjoy it. And please subscribe my channel. Please like, share, and comment. And thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.